Yes, tell me, what happened to you? Nose water's coming. Okay, you mean you have got runny nose? Oh, yes. Anything else? And no energy in body. Okay, you are fatigued too. And everything is rotating circle, circle. Okay, dizziness as well. Anything else? And my neck. Okay, so you have a sore throat as well. Yes, yes, sore throat. And sometimes I feel no vomiting, but all right. Sometimes it's nausea as well. And also sometimes breathing no. Okay. Shortness of breath. Will I be fine? I hope it's not COVID. No, no. There is no COVID. There is something bigger than that.
શું મેડિકલના સ્ટુડન્ટો તમારે પણ મારી જેમ ઇંગ્લિશ બોલતા શીખવું છે તો આજે જાઓ શીતલ એકેડમીમાં જેનો કોન્ટેક્ટ નંબર છે 9723237700.